Good morning and welcome back to Maths class children. Today we are going to start 11.5 up to 11.4. I explained you 11.5 exercise. First question, state which of the following are equation with a variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equations with a variable. Now listen children, what are variable? In the beginning of this chapter, I explained you if we are writing x plus 4, okay, y plus 7 or x square plus x plus 5, all these are called variables. Variable means whose value can be changed. Okay, changeable. The value will be changeable. That is called variable. Now listen children, from the question number 1 we have to find out which which of the following equations. Many equations are given. Okay, give reason for your answer with variable. Okay, so first I will explain you. You have to tell. First question, A part, first one, what is this one? Equation with variable, this one, first. Okay, this is an equation with variable. Then T, this is not an equation. Why? Because which sign is given? Greater than. So this is not an equation. Okay, 4 by 2 is equal to 2. This is also not equation with a variable. And here also no variable is given, okay, because xyz anything not given that whose value is changeable. These are fixed value, constant values are, these values are constant, it cannot be changed. Here x value can be changed, so this is an equation with variable, so this is correct. This is also, here x is variable, this is not. Why? M variable is there, but this is not equation. This is smaller or greater than there is written. And here you see next one. This is an equation with variable. Question number this I. Again children, you have seen, okay, that there is no variable. That means all constant terms are given. 7 is given, 11 is given, 5 is given, 12 is given, okay, and then what is given? 4 is given. Now come to this one, J part. Okay, this is not, this is yes. Now J part, we are coming to J part. This is an equation with variable because P is given. Now next one, 20 is equal to 5y. This is also an equation with variable. This is also correct. And then this again they have in L, what they have given? They have not given equal sign. So this is not an equation, right? Then come to this one, M. M, here what they have given? Z, but they have not given equal, so this is not, and here what they have not given? Not variable, so this is not an equation. O is an equation, so which one? A, then afterward E, then afterward F, then afterward here H, then afterward where is J, tick mark, then K, then O. I hope you understood children. Okay, why the given uh, questions are following very expressions are of an equation or not with variable. Okay, first question is clear with all of you. Now we are going to start question number 2. Complete the entries in the third column. Okay, equation satisfied. how equation will satisfy? What is that? 10y is equal to 80. This is your question. You put the value of y and find out, is it equal to 80? 10y is equal to 80. What they have given the value? Instead of y, you will put 10, because if 10y in the beginning of this chapter, 10 times of y, that means you have to multiply. So 10 into 10, what will come here? 100, and 100 is not equal to 80. So what you will write here? No, first. Same way, 10y is equal to 80. If y is, now instead of y you will put 8, so you will get 10 into 8, 80. So you will write here yes. And 10y is equal to 80 again, but instead of y you have to put the value of y, that is equal to 5. 10 into 5. Okay, 10y is equal to 80, that means 10 into 5, then again you will get 50, that is not equal to 80. Okay, so you will write no for the third one. Same way children, so many variables values are given up to f, same way you will do. And here you have to add b value, they have given 5. Instead of b plus 5 is equal to 9, that means you have to put 9, sorry 5. B value they have given 5. 5 plus 5, what you will get? 10. 10 is not equal to 9, so what will you put here? No. Okay, so this is not going to satisfy. Same way children, plus and minus you will find out, and you will complete question number 2 yourself as I taught you. If according to the sign you will find out, is equation satisfied or not? If any doubt comes, you may ask, you may write.